Caldwell's campaign is over before it began. A technicality will keep him from running for city council. That means Duke Bainum, the only candidate left, appears set to become Honolulu's newest council member. KGMB9's Tim Sakahara has more.
Kirk Caldwell is the state House Majority Leader, a position he gave up to run for Honolulu City Council. But in November, he won't hold either office. The candidate filing deadline was last Tuesday, and Caldwell went to the city clerk's office and verbally told them he was withdrawing from his House seat. The city clerk's office accepted that. Then he filed to run for city council. But now the State Office of Elections says the verbal withdrawal was not official, which means Caldwell was a candidate for two offices at once, which is against the law. And so he was disqualified.
Sometimes you win a game, sometimes you lose a game, and sometimes there's a rain out. And I've been rained out in this case.
Caldwell will not appeal the decision, even though he believes he followed all the rules.
The chief elections officer for the state doesn't believe so. I think he may be trying to rewrite law, or at least the rules. But I'm going to accept it because I think to fight it will just prolong this thing to an unnecessary degree, and it's going to distract the voters from the major issues of the day.
The decision means his opponent, Duke Bainum, is the only candidate left for the council seat, and thus has won the election. But that was not enough for Bainum's attorney, who claims there was a bias in favor of Caldwell.
In that one candidate was getting unequal preferential favorite treatment as opposed to another, and that really should not happen, irrespective of whether one candidate is favored by the administration or not.
Tim Sakahara, KGMB9 News.
In a statement today, Mayor Mufi Hanneman says it is unfortunate residents of District 5 will not have a legitimate opportunity to decide who will represent them on the city council. Hanneman calls Caldwell a dedicated public servant and effective leader and says he would have been an excellent candidate for the city council position.